Bossing! Bossing!
Nico Antonio, Mark Rivera, Silas Menor, the Rocky Baldacedi, sama-sama natin ang kabayanan, antayin at panahon.
Unahin niyo ang topak! Para malaman niyo kung bakit kami may topak! Unahin niyo ang topak! Topak! Para sa inyo to! Pelikula na to! Topak! 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 Topak!
Submission, sincerity, repentance, veneration, and respect. Nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ang isang pinila.
Naiwan na sila eh.
Nagmamadali nila ako. A glowing thread of love connects them, something cold and growing warmer as their emotional connection deepens. Carlo Aquino and Julia Paneto.
Shy, where are you?
I'm here, Kaloy. Marlon.
I miss the stay.
And Julia.
I have been close boss in December 95. Introduce. Little one. Partner, ba't parang ang tahimik?
Espantajo! The Espantajo clone is inspired by the film's Milliwan ancestral house that is flagged by an evil curse. Each design piece visually depicts elements from the story, and towering above is the eponymous and wicked Espantajo. Sino kaya sa kanila ang may daladala? Lorna Tolentino, happy birthday! I love you, Miss Elsie, Sir Mon, Lorna, JC, Miss Chanta. Miss Chanta.
pangalan ni Ganda.
Ano mo sa espasyaho, karong Pasko, Pasko.
Thank you so much, Miss Ganda Romero. Baka naman may message ko dyan, Donna. Sa mga fans natin dyan!
Hello! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Ingat po kayo ha! Huwag niyo po kakalimutan panoorin yung pang-festival sa December 25. Pamasko niyo po sa amin. Merry Christmas!
Casey Santos!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat! Woo! December 25 po. Panahon na natin.
Kaya so, 4 na araw na lamang po. Marapalit natin ang biggest horror movie of the season.
Friday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ayan, eto na! My Future You! At syempre, nakikita na po natin ang My Future You, ang creating a cloud-nine feeling, adorned with vibrant flowers. It radiates a dreamy, magical vibe, seamlessly blending the beauty of romance with a galaxy-inspired aesthetic, reflecting the movie's space-time travel theme. The globe immerses you in a constant journey of love and wonder.
Pakita-kita po tayo. Sa iba pala yun. Hello po!
By Nasser Sega, set production design, and the breadwinner is Slow depicts the heartwarming and colorful stories of breadwinners and their families, embellished with star-shaped apartments, rejuvenating rest, family and home, going memories at Ultra Pasko, kasama ang bagong pamilya, ang buong pamilya at barkada sa The Breadwinner is by June Lopez Rodana.
This is part of, you know,
And the storyline of the movie.
saludo po kami sa ating mga
Uplift and hoping to bring light to a dark place. This concept is explored by a real wish tree at the General Arena City Jail, where PDLS runs down their mission to make parade float more vibrant and captivating, especially at night. The tree will be crafted from lighted acrylic sheets, and it will glow and emit light throughout the arena, creating a visual spectacle. Yan ang Green Dome. Dennis! Dennis Rio! Lulu!
ka magkwento na, ha? Sino ka si Mara Zamora? Oo, grabe naman. Nakakilala.
The strange frequencies flow captures the lively spirit of the vibrant festival, adorned with colorful ornaments and intricate symbols of Taiwan, where the film was shot. It blends its cheerful design with some chilling and intrigue, featuring elements from Taiwan's folklore showcase in the movie. The distinct mix of vibrancy and horror reflects the experience that audiences can expect from strange frequencies Taiwan Killer Hospital. A thrilling combination of fun and bright guaranteed to entertain everyone this Christmas. That is Strange Frequencies. Siyempre naman, gusto natin pasalamatan MMDA, Bagong Pilipinas, City of Manila, PCSO, FDCP, GSIS, PACOR, CMB, Philippines, Sinoma Class,
na aming ipapakita at ipaparamdam sa inyong lahat. Manood po ng Strange Frequencies, ang pelikulang magpapasigaw sa buong sinehan.
Thank you.